In this video, I'm going to set up project schedules for a couple of projects that we have set up. I'll also show you how to build a schedule template that you can reuse over and over on projects if you have a tendency to run the same types of projects over and over. First thing we're going to do is go into a project that we've created. If you don't have one yet, it's easy enough to click on the Add Project button. I'm going to go to on the secondary navigation, I'm going to go to where it says Schedule. And I'm on my schedule builder. And in this project, we're going to develop a 1-calorie beer. I'm going to create a phase called Research. And you can add a description. I'm not going to here. Let's go ahead and add a new phase called Development. And one more called see, we already said marketing was out of scope for this project, so we probably need to testing. Alright, I'm going to click on the research, and see in the research the sort order is not good now, but you'll see how that's going to work itself out momentarily. Click on research, say new task, let's see, conduct market research. You can add a description for the task if you'd like. Estimated start, you got a date picker here. We'll say that this is starting next week. Estimated end at the end of next week. Save that task. You can see that it added under that phase, and also because I've got a date associated with the task in this phase now, it kind of bounces it up to the top there. And new task. It's important when you're developing 1-calorie beers to research a lot of the competition out there. So we're going to be drinking conduct competitive research. We're going to be drinking a lot of beer as part of this project. And we can do that beginning of October, see all the way through the 29th. Save that task. You can see it's pretty quick to add tasks in here. You can also do it without the dates and then come back and add the dates if that's the way you want to build your schedule. So let's say for this, for development, we're going to do get requirements. We're going to determine recipe, and last thing we'll do on development is we will build a prototype. So as you can see, we've added a few tasks here. Without dates, I can go in and edit that task, say for build a prototype, and say, okay, I'm really going to start doing that in November 1st through November 5th. There you go. Also on the schedule tab, you can start a task. Let's say we want to kick this task off. Click on the start button, the play button, and that updates this task status to in flight, which will show you what that means later. But just know that all these tasks are in a status that says not started until you start them. And then I can click on it and finish it, and it takes it out of my view. I'll still be able to look at it later if I want to come back and see what's going on there. Actually, I'll show you that now. Click on the completed tasks. It shows you what happened with them. I can also enter time on this, which I'll show you later. If I need to, I can delete a task. Once I delete it, it's gone. Next thing I wanted to show you, I'm going to switch to a different project. I'm going to show you how you can create a schedule template and save it and recreate, spawn new projects off of that template. I'm going to go to Schedule again for this project template task that I created in a previous video. I'm going to keep this really simple. I'm going to do a new task, and we'll say requirements. I'm not going to put start dates on the template because generally speaking, if you're using templates, it'll be kind of all over the place. To analysis. Oh, messed up on that, but I can edit it easy enough. New task 3, development. Oh, a new phase accidentally. Hit cancel. Well, messing up on my demo, but the good part of that is I show you how easy it is to navigate in the thing. 4 is testing. And last task we'll do is deployment. Save that. You can add your dates on here. I haven't built it yet where you can do a duration on these so that it'll build out a schedule based on duration, not on date. That's in Q. For now, I've got it. Got my schedule built. I'm going to go back to the project details tab, or project details form, and I'm going to save this project as a template. You can see it's saved successfully. I'm going to go back to my projects. I'm going to add a project and call it project from template. Select the project template that I just created. I could have named it something better, but project template, add the project. Now I go into my new project called project from template, and look, my phases are already there. So this is real nice if you've got a schedule that you use on a regular basis that you want to reuse from time to time, or if you got 2 or 3 different templates that you use for different types of projects that you run. Great way to store those and create projects very simply, very quickly going forward.